minutes. Just wanted to show you something about it. I couldn't believe this just now. Temp there, don't know if you can see it, 40 degrees or thereabout. Absolute bonkers. Only got the bottom drain on a minute, just turned the other air stones off, just pulled out the skimmer to clean that, and I'm going to clean my filters down. I'm in this sheet cleaning my filters every 2 days at the moment, so just wanted to show you that 40 on there. I knew it had been in the well in the 30s, but bloody 40 today. Jesus. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, apart from cleaning the filters, I thought I'd do a water test. I haven't done it since we've got this hot weather. My readings are just settling a minute, so I'm going to take a look at them in a little while. I'm going to be adding more Kasuri clay, so I've got the air stone there ready. I'm going to turn that on in a minute, measure that dose out. Also got my bicarb. I've done the KH test. It's 3 drops for it to change, so it needs boosting a bit. Put bicarb in for probably about 8 days. I normally do it every 5 days, so time to get that in. Skimmer's cleaned out and back up and running. On temp as well, guys. Even that's on 24. So I've got 24 in the water and pretty much 40 on the outside temp. Unbelievable. Anyway, let's crack on. Right guys, my ammonia was good, spot on, so was my nitrite. So happy with that. All good. Clay is just simmering away in there. Give that another couple of minutes and it's going to go in. And knock the bottom drain off to do it. Just make sure the bottom's clean, don't need a sweep. Catch you in a bit. Clay is in, guys. Water's obviously gone a little bit murky at the moment, but that'll soon filter out. I did notice my GH readings were coming up now, so obviously the clay, one of the things the clay does do is keep your minerals up, and the water in my area, the GH is very poor. It is hardly any GH, so it is on the rise. So I'm going to keep doing this weekly. Like I say, I've done it last week, I've done it again now this week, and my GH is rising, so fish are very active, all seem fine. The one that wasn't eating has slowly started to eat again. He's not back to his full self, but he is slowly eating. I'll try and capture a bit of feeding in a bit. Like I say, the water's a bit murky now, so I'm going to finish cleaning the filter. They've all drained down now, it's just topping back up. Finish off that, catch you in a bit. Yeah, they're enjoying this sunshine. Just let you watch them for a minute. I counted 8 flowers today on the lilies. Started to close now. It's 5:45 and it's weird that they seem to open really early in the morning and close quite early, but there's probably a lot more buds if I move them over there's more buds that'll come to the top. I'll have more flowers again. I thinned them out a bit this year, so because I got the skimmer there, I've really thinned them out, so I haven't got too many this side. Leave the skimmer do its job properly, so it has worked. Akasura clay is in. Tell you what, it's only been a fortnight, but I think it's bloody good stuff in fairness to it. The water clarity seems to be perking up a bit, and like I say, my GH has made a considerable difference, so it's well worth picking some up. Sure, they'd eat a bit more again, but they can wait till later. Fancy getting another fish. Probably one of the Utsuris. I do fancy something like that next. Keeping my eye out, see if there's anything about. That silver one there going across, I've had him about 4 years, and he hasn't really put on much weight, but he's doubled in size, I think, this year. I don't know why he hasn't grown before. He's stayed quite small. See him there? But he's actually starting to grow now all of a sudden. And I keep my, I try and make sure my quality of the water is right. My KH is always rock solid, it's just above 8. My pH, sorry, is always just above 8. And keep a good KH as well. Nitrites, nitrates, ammonia. I always keep an eye on them, everything's good. So anyway, a couple of other things to do. Catch you in a bit, guys. A couple of little tiny goldfish under there again. Oh, I've spooked them now, they've gone under the lilies. I'll have to try and get them out sometime. Probably gonna have to wait till nearer the winter when the lilies have gone. I managed to get one or two with my new big net, but still hard work. 8 o'clock now, 8 p.m. Outside temp, it's down to 26 now. So can't complain. Nice to have nice weather. Apparently there's storms and crap weather coming again, so skimmer's working well, nice and clean. Fish are all good. They all wander, they all come in and stand, well, sorry, if I'm standing here, they all come in and have a nose. Tell you what, that pool has been a godsend in this hot weather. Believe it or not, I bought that for these fish. When I've been thinking about upgrading this pond and building it up and putting a window and one thing and another. And I picked it up last winter. I think it was about 90 quid, believe it or not. It's a hell of a price, and I got it down from the attic, and as you can see, she's a good size. So ultimately I got it for the fish. But I tell you what a godsend in this weather. I may even jump in it now after this. Just ending the video. I think I'm going to jump in again. Cools you right down. Missus and they were all in there the other day, and they said, I wonder how hot the water is in here, because it, you know, it was quite warm. So I picked this up and threw it in. Christ, they all jumped out as if I'd thrown a fish in there. Anyway, hope you're all doing well, guys. Hope all your ponds are good. I'm watching a lot of all you videos of fellow YouTubers as well, so everyone's doing well. Pain in the arse there again, look. Absolute bastard nightmare. Got a water cannon then, but it's out of action. Get out. What I have started doing is putting little bowls out around the place of water to try and stop them coming to the pond. So hopefully that'll work. On the barrels behind there, I have got bowls on, so hopefully they're going to just drink out of that. Anyway guys, I can end the video there. It's just a little bit of a weekly bits and bobs on the pond. So till the next one guys, thanks for watching. Catch you soon, all the best.